Okay, this problem is a fillet arc between two existing line segments. So a fillet arc is a tangent arc between something else. So in this case, it's going to be tangent to both of the existing line segments, which currently are forming an angle. So it's asking for a 1/2 inch radius arc to be tangent to both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making a parallel line segment to each of the individual segments. So to do that, that was one of our earlier problems in the set. I'm going to start with my compass set to a 1/2 inch. So I just measure that out. So we have a 1/2 inch radius. Once I got that, I'm going to pick any 2 points along one of the segments. I'm going to make a very light arc up above. Same thing, any other point along the line, make an arc up above. Okay, so while I have my compass set, I'm going to do the same thing from the other segment because it's going to be the same distance. So any 2 points along that segment, I'll make the same arc up above. Then another point, make the arc up above. Okay, so now I just need my straight edge, and I'm going to make 2 construction lines tangent to the tops of both of those arcs. Line it up and make a light construction line. Do the same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have those, this point of intersection right there, that's the center point for the arc we're looking for. So I can set my compass, which should already be set to the 1/2 inch. If you want, you can double check it, but it should be a 1/2. I'm going to put the pin of the compass right there at that point of intersection and draw my arc. Looks like it's a little bit small, so let me just double check. Sometimes with those friction compasses, it can move on you. Let's try that again. It should not have a gap. It should be exactly touching both. Not, something's off, and it could be the parallel could be off, it could be the location of the point is off. There we go. Or if it's the friction compass, it could have just moved on you simply by grabbing it the wrong way. And there we go. So now we have a tangent arc right there to 2 existing line segments, basically making it a fillet if we were to eliminate this corner. And that's the idea of tangency.